Thank you for watching my video today. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It helps me to get the word out onto the street. And hopefully my whole point of doing these videos is I really like to help people. And I don't want to charge anything. I mean, I just want to help people for free. I don't have anything to sell. I feel like I know a lot about personal finance and money. I want to share my knowledge and I want to help people. So I hope those watching these, listening to these, I hope it is helping you because that is my intent. What I wanted to talk about today is maybe some of my videos I think have been a little preachy at times, and I don't intend to talk down to people or preach. I guess I do look at money as like there's a right way to manage it and a wrong way. And I'm not sure there's a right or wrong. I think there's a good and there's a better way and there's a more optimal way, but it's not necessarily right or wrong. The four prongs of personal finance, four as I see them, are keep your expenses, what you spend money on every month, your debt, the money you owe, like on a mortgage, your savings, the money you have in a bank account, liquid, where it's available fairly fast, where you can get your paws on it, and then long-term wealth building, investing. And in my opinion, it's best to minimize your expenses, avoid debt, like all debt. I do have a mortgage, as I mentioned before. It's hard to avoid that if you want to own a house, unless you've just got a couple $100,000 sitting in the bank account. It must be nice. But I would say avoid debt if you can, because debt tends to be like bondage. I mean, it keeps you down. I owed a long time ago. I feel like I was not even the same person as I am now, but when I was in college, I was taking out cash advances on credit cards, and I can't even believe I'm saying this, but taking out cash advances and just spending, and that the credit card company said I don't owe a payment this month. Awesome, I must be winning the game. Wrong. So debt, best to avoid it. Having money saved, which gives you the ability to pay your bills if you lose your job or if you run into a big expense. And then long-term wealth building, investing. I tend to look at that as the right way to manage money. And to me, it is the right way, but there really is no right and wrong. If you want to buy a nice car and go into debt, you can do that. If you want to take out a payday loan, you can do that. If you want to borrow on a credit card and just pay monthly, you can do that. If you want to spend everything you make on, maybe not go into debt, but just spend 100% and never build savings, you can do that. I mean, if that's what makes you happy, and if it's not important for you to have savings, then you don't have to save. You can just spend and go into debt. And then long-term wealth building, which I look at as kind of the pinnacle of personal finance, that's where you really achieve your long-term freedom and gives you options in life. You don't have to do that either. I mean, you could say, I don't want to do rental properties. I don't want to own a business. I don't want to invest in the stock market, too risky. I just want to do what I want to do. And we're free to do whatever we want to do. And there's no right or wrong. But I just think if you follow what I'm saying in these videos, I don't think it's going to hurt you. I think what it's about to me, it's about living your best life. It's about having the best life that you can have, and whatever that means to you. To me, it means having low expenses, having no debt or very little debt, having a fat chunk of savings, and then I'm not there yet, but living on dividends totally. What I mean by that is the dividends from my stock investments pay for everything, and then some. That's what I want to achieve, but that might not be your goal, and that's fine. And so I just wanted to say that personal finance is very personal, so you have to make your own decisions. I really hope what I'm sharing on this channel helps people. That is my intent. And I'm trying to share my pea brain, what's up there with whoever will watch and listen. Thank you for watching today. God bless and have a good day.